Hi, boys and girls. We're going to practice writing again. And when we write, we need to remember that we have our character with all our parts. And we need to have a setting, which is where we are or where our character is. And we need our label. And we need our speech bubble. And remember, the label is a line coming out from something with a word. Try to write a word. And the speech bubble is what the person or the character is saying. Okay, so what we're going to write about today is, where can you go with your family? And we're going to draw our pictures. And here's our learning target for writing and drawing with pictures. It says, I am learning to use pictures and labels and a speech bubble in my writing. Okay, so now I'm going to make me small, make my journal page big. You need to make sure you have your pencil and your journal page and write the date at the top, 9-9-20. And where can you go with your family? I'll give you my example. And if I'm talking about going somewhere with my family, I need to have all my family with me. And in my family, I have 5 people. There are 3 girls and 2 boys. And I dropped my eraser, but that's okay. Sometimes we do that. We drop things. But then we pick it up later and we keep going. Remember, a character has a head, 2 eyes, a nose, and a mouth. And we have ears and arms. I started to get ahead of myself. And I'm going to tell a story while I'm writing. There was a time where I went to a really fun place with my family. There was me and my 2 daughters. Can you guess which ones are my 2 daughters? And my husband. And here's my husband. And this is Adrian. His first name starts with an A. I'm going to label him too. We like to go to the beach. So we went to the beach. And he was wearing pants and shoes. And there was also my son, Solomon. And he has short hair. So here's Solomon. And he is carrying a bucket and a shovel because we like to go to the beach and he likes to dig in the sand. And there's water right there behind us. And there's the sun. And behind us is also the sand. And we have a sand castle because we went to the beach and we like to build sand castles together. And Solomon, is saying, sand. Or I could put a smiley face in there because he is happy when he's building a sand castle on the beach. And if you want to, you can try to write words down here. And you can write I, because I said, where can you go? You can write I, remember our sight words, can go to the beach. And if you don't know how to write those words yet, it is perfectly fine because we're still in the beginning of kindergarten. So if your writing looks like this, or you put pictures in there that look like waves because you're at the beach and you want to draw your sandcastle down here too, I can go to the beach. Okay, and then later you can ask your family to finish writing the sentence for you. I can go to the beach. It is perfectly okay to have your family finish the words for you if you don't know how to write the words. But if you do know how to write words, then you can do that for me as well. Okay? Remember to add color